Hiranandani Fortune City, Panvel, is seeing new paradigms of infrastructure, close proximity to the project. The MTHL corridor, which will be completed by the end of 2023, now has a new extension of the suburban railway line extension coming from Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminal to Panvel, being extended right up to Karjat. This will facilitate two new railway stations on this corridor close to the Hiranandani Fortune City at Chowk and Mahape.
This second rail line aims to save 30 minutes of commute time from CSMT to Karjat and vice versa. It will also significantly reduce travelling time from Mahape and Chowk to Hiranandani Fortune City, Panvel. Nearby residents will also enjoy easy access to the two IT hubs, Mumbai and Pune. The Mumbai Rail Vikas Corporation has completed nearly 19% work and looks to complete the project by the end of March 2025.
All this is going to completely change the availability of commute to Hiranandani Fortune City. All this and more is available, which will make the project more viable, more people-centric, possibility of taking rentals, of obtaining different categories of flats in a township, which of course is developed by the Hiranandani brand, which is developed Powai and Thane township, now moving towards Panvel.